Hey Marcel, how you doing today? Hopefully you enjoyed videos 1 and 2 for sliding, where you're sliding through a course and sliding on a straight line. Now we're going to add another part into that to make it a little more challenging. Today we're going to have a partner with us, and they're going to roll a ball to either my left side or my right side. And I'm going to be sliding over in front of the ball to stop it from going past me. Alright? This is good to work on your hand-eye coordination, to work on tracking an object, and it can be translated into sports skills such as getting a grounder in baseball or stopping a ball in kickball. Alright, so I'm going to have my partner roll to me. You want to make sure that you keep your knees bent, slide your arms, and move in the direction that you're needed to stop the ball. Slide and stop. Slide and stop. Alright, have fun. Stay safe, Marcel.